This Harlingen Homes property video is presented by Lisa McCallum. This 3-bedroom, 2-bath home has been beautifully remodeled and is move-in ready. The split floor plan gives privacy for the master bedroom, which includes a large walk-in closet and a nice bathroom with granite counters. The other bedrooms are spacious with large closets and share a hall bathroom with tub/shower combo and granite counters. The open kitchen includes a dishwasher, microwave, and refrigerator. The large backyard includes a small covered wood deck and patio slab. Don't miss the 2 central AC units and the tankless water heater. For more information, review the details below.